Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, switch to the main camera, and now to take a burst shot, all you need to do is to just hold down shutter button just like this, and after that the burst shot starts. As you can see right now I took like 20 shots, I guess. Here we can review them, and here we can view all of these burst shots I took right now, just like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.